Welcome back to Elevation Drafting. Another video for you here. Been a bit of a delay since I had a last video coming through to you guys. Apologies for that. I've been working on a bit of a project, and that'll be announced soon. Yeah, I've got an announcement coming soon about something I've been working on. So yeah, I'll have some more details about that over the next few days or the next week or so. So stay tuned for an announcement pretty soon. So today's video is going to be about the text orient command, or TORIENT. I've got a few things I've drawn here ready to go. Text orient command is not available in AutoCAD LT, but it's available in full AutoCAD. So you can see I'm running AutoCAD 2024 here. It's the full version, and yeah, it's a really good command. It's been around for a while. It's usually available through Express Tools, but I couldn't find the function in here. So it's around somewhere. If it's not listed in here, the way I usually get to it is just by typing TORI. So there, and you can see it pops up there, TORIENT, that one there. As you might have known with all these commands that you enter, if you enter the first letter, it'll pop up with some suggestions. You can see TORIENT's already in there, just there. If you go TO, it's the second option. TOR usually pops up with Taurus. Yep, so Taurus is the first option there, but TORIENT's there. If you go TORI, it wants you to choose text orient. So that's the first option there. Spacebar to enter. You can use text orient with either single line text or multi-line text, so dtext or mtext. That's what they're usually called. And I'm just going to try and do this one here. So clicking on the text that you want, spacebar to accept, and we'll just use the snaps for this one. So snapping to the endpoint and snapping to the midpoint here. It doesn't matter either one, endpoint or midpoint. You can see it orients the text to the same orientation as the line. So there it is. So it's just a really quick way, instead of having to look at what the line is and then try and orient the text to the same angle. So you can just see this one is 209.59 over here. Yeah, instead of trying to do it the manual way and typing in the rotation or the angle over here, you can actually just orient the text to that line there. You can do this with a few different objects, basically anything you can snap to. You can actually just do it freehand as well. So if I just go TORI again, click the text, and you can just go like that, and it will just orient the text to basically whichever clicks you're making. But you can see you can do it again with things like arcs. Now there is a different command to add text to an arc. There's a command called arc text, which isn't very it's not very commonly discussed in AutoCAD, but it's a bit more of an obscure command. But arc text actually places text on an angle around the arc itself. But if you want to, just for simplicity's sake, we're just going to stick to this one here. If you want to just add some text on the same angle as the arc, endpoint to endpoint, and it will rotate it like that. As you can see, it's sitting there like that. So that this angle here is actually from endpoint to endpoint, just there. Again, same thing with multi-line text. Do the same thing, here to here, and there it is there. So you can see it's pretty handy. You can also snap to stuff and so on. Same with points. I've got two little points down here. You can see them there. If you TORI, text orient to the points, snap to node, and there it is there. So it's a really handy little function for just quickly aligning text to whichever objects you want to align it to. One last one, the rectangle that's here as well, you can also align to a rectangle, and there it is there. This one's just a straight rectangle, so there you go. But you know, if you've got a rectangle that's on a bit of an angle, and you need to just quickly orient some text to that rectangle, put it this way, as you can see. So TORI, choose a single line text, there to there, and there it is. So pretty handy little function, and definitely speeds up your work. That's the main goal for my lessons here. So yeah, stick around for the announcement. As I said, it'll be coming in the next few days, and yeah, it's worth the wait. So yeah, looking forward to letting you guys know about what I've been up to in the last few months. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.